Hello, and welcome to the video demo for Group 37. Our game is titled Geometry Clash, a wholly original title. Let's begin our epic journey by booting up the game and clicking Enter Game. This groundbreaking game features the ability to select the name of your hero. My name shall be Squarelius the Square Squire. Next, I will select the difficulty level. The difficulty level changes the health of the monsters and the final boss. Squarelius ain't no wimp. However, for the purpose of this demo, I will select the easy difficulty. Along with difficulty, you can select from 3 powerful and unique weapons for defeating your foes. There is the gun, the axe, and the sword. The gun requires precision and lets you shoot in all 4 directions while moving. The axe requires strength and lets you attack a wide area with a short range. The sword requires precision, letting you lay down a long melee attack that does high damage. Now that we've discussed starting the game and selecting a weapon, let's watch Squarelius take on some monsters. In this room, there are all 3 kinds of enemies. There's the blue enemy, which goes side to side chasing you. There was the orange enemy, which chases you, but just straight at you. And then this enemy, which stays around the outskirts and tries to come at you diagonally. Squarelius has collected 3 health potions, of which I will now use 2 to regain some health. I will go into the next room, and I will use another item that you can pick up off the ground, the freeze. The freeze lets you freeze the enemies and get in position to go attack them. I'll do it again. As you can see, when you kill an enemy, sometimes they will drop an item. As you can see, there are labels telling the player their current health and the number of potion and freeze charges they have. Along with that, when Squarelius cleared the last room, he picked up a new weapon. By clicking I can access the inventory screen and switch between these 2 weapons. Naturally, I will select the weapon with more damage. Now, I will show you a challenge room. When you enter a challenge room, it prompts you to start it, meaning you can skip it. Once you start it, a number of enemies will spawn. The challenge rooms have guaranteed rewards as opposed to the chance that you get at rewards in other rooms. As you can see, there are much more rewards in this room than there have been in the other rooms. One of these rewards includes an extremely powerful weapon, this one that does 12 damage. Something you might have noticed, the maze is truly a maze, complete with twists, turns, and dead ends. It's also randomly generated every game. In these 2 videos, I moved directly right from the first room. As you can see, the following room is different, showing an example of how the maze differs each game. One last thing I'll show you before defeating the boss is the death screen. If I go into this room and let the enemies kill me, then it will show me the death screen, which shows me my stats, my name, and gives me the option to play again by clicking on the button. After many tries, I have been able to get to the room before the boss, and now, armed with many potions and some upgraded weapons, I will show you what the win screen looks like. And there you go. I was able to defeat the boss quite easily because I had lots of attack potions and a highly upgraded weapon. And now, you can see the win screen, which displays my statistics and also lets me play again. Now, to conclude this demo, I hope you all enjoyed Squarelius' journey through the Deadly Maze. The video on the left shows me going through the maze, but I altered the code to let me move through without killing any enemies. As you can see, it truly is random, maze-like, and the final boss is more than 6 rooms away. Other than that, I would just like to say that our group enjoyed doing this project, and our final product is actually quite fun to play. On the right, I have marked explicitly down all the requirements shown. There were other implementations shown, but these were the ones required. And now, we just have to wait for me to get to the boss. Alright, thank you.